Over 45 years ago, we embarked on a mission to reduce the home improvement industry's carbon footprint. We wanted to make this sustainable venture happen no matter what it took. After careful planning and collaboration with our manufacturing team, we introduced our flagship recycling initiative, the Exchange-A-Blade Buy, Recycle, and Save program, a sustainable process that helps keep over 60 tons of steel out of landfills annually and helps our customers save money on every purchase. Thanks to our team at our Reman Center, we make them perform as good or better than new. Thus, we encourage you to participate in our sustainability initiative and do your part by recycling your EAB accessories, because together we can make a difference.